Welcome to this journey of relaxation and healing. You can use this practice to connect with your calm and healing energy during the day, or as a way to help you easily go to sleep and heal through the night. Thank you for joining me. I'm Sara Raymond from the Mindful Movement. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. This is your time to relax, to connect with the deep wisdom of your body, and to guide yourself into powerful healing. You are stepping into a space of trust, a space of strength, a space where your mind and body work together effortlessly. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs fully, feeling the air nourish you. And as you breathe out, release any tension, any distractions, and let yourself settle into this moment. Again, another deep breath in, allowing relaxation to spread through you. And as you exhale, feel yourself drifting deeper into relaxation, more at ease, more in tune with the healing energy already present within you. Now bring your awareness to a part of your body that feels good, strong, and steady. Maybe it's your hands, feeling warm and capable. Maybe it's the rise and fall of your breath, constant and reliable. Whatever part feels right to you, focus there. Allow yourself to settle into this connection, feeling the comfort of knowing that your body is strong and capable. Your mind is strong and capable. Every cell, every nerve, every part of you is aligned with the natural drive to heal and restore. Now imagine that within you there is a perfect blueprint, your body's original design, whole, strong, and fully functional. This blueprint has always been there, untouched, unchanged, waiting to guide your healing. See this blueprint now, glowing with energy, lighting up every nerve pathway, every muscle, every connection within you. Your body is following this design, rebuilding, repairing, and restoring. With every breath, see and feel your nervous system activating in perfect alignment with this blueprint. Know that the energy is flowing along your spine, reconnecting and strengthening pathways, sending signals of healing and regeneration. Visualize your nerves awakening, reaching and growing like the roots of a tree expanding deeper into the earth. Like a network of light illuminating and restoring your mobility, your strength, and your movement. Your body knows exactly what to do. It is guided by this perfect design, by the intelligence of every cell, and by the deep and powerful force of healing within you. Every time you listen to this recording, you strengthen this connection. Every moment you spend here reinforces the healing process. You are guiding your body back to its highest potential. Breathe into this knowing. Feel the energy of renewal flowing through you. Your body is responding, adjusting, and regenerating. Every day, with each passing moment, you are becoming stronger. Your healing is already in motion. Trust it. Allow it. Feel it unfolding within you now. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a control panel, your personal healing system, created by the power of your mind. And at the center, there is a dial. A dial that controls the intensity of your body's healing. You hold the power to turn this dial up, amplifying your body's natural ability to heal, restore, and strengthen itself. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach toward the dial. Notice how it glows with energy, responding to your intention, ready to accelerate your healing. As you turn the dial up, feel a surge of energy flowing through your nervous system, awakening every connection, every fiber, every pathway within you. Your body is listening. Your body is responding. With each turn of the dial, your healing amplifies, and grows stronger. Nerves regenerate, inflammation dissolves, and signals grow stronger. You may feel warmth, tingling, a deep knowing that something powerful is happening within you. And it is. Your body is following your command. You are in control. Your mind directs and your body obeys. The higher you turn the dial, the deeper your healing expands, breaking through limitations, breaking through barriers, and strengthening every part of you. And now, take a moment to lock in this feeling. Know that you can return to this dial anytime, turning it up as often as you need, reinforcing your body's incredible ability to heal itself. You are healing. You are restoring. You are reclaiming your strength, one breath at a time. Now begin to visualize your future self, strong, confident, free, moving with ease, feeling whole and at peace. No matter the details of your future, you experience deep contentment, knowing that you have done everything in your power to heal, grow, and to live fully. Feel your resilience, your determination, your unwavering belief that you are more than capable of healing and thriving. Right here at this moment, you are aligning with this strength, this trust, this unstoppable force within you. There is no need to force or push. Healing is happening naturally and effortlessly. You are exactly where you need to be, and you trust that everything is unfolding as it should. You are whole. You are healing. You are powerful beyond measure. Breathe this in and allow it to settle into every cell of your being. Now, as you rest in this deep awareness, take a moment to feel gratitude. Gratitude for the progress you've made, for the strength you hold within you, for the support and love that surrounds you. Feel appreciation for your body, for all the ways it is healing, adapting, and working for you. Even in moments of challenge, your body is doing its best, and for that, you give thanks. Feel gratitude for your mind, for its resilience, for its ability to shape and direct your healing. You are connected to something greater than yourself, something that holds you, supports you, and guides you forward. And now, as this session comes to a close, know that your healing continues. Your mind has received the message. Your body is responding. And every time you listen, this process strengthens, amplifies, and deepens. You are healing. You are thriving. Your mind and body work together in perfect harmony. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the strength within you. And when you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this healing energy forward into your day.